Bogalusa traffic, Grumman 8968 Lima is 5 to the west, will overfly the airfield, enter left downwind, runway 18, full stop, Bogalusa.
Bogalusa traffic, Scout 74 Papa Hotel, left crosswind, departing to the southeast. Body change. Bogalusa.
Fuel pump comes on, gums check. You're gonna record the landing, but out of the right side, like with the right view, like over here. Yeah, just like that.
Push it.
You can here in a second.
Okay.
So we're gonna. The airfield is here. We're gonna fly over it, and then we're gonna take a left. You can record whatever you want, bro.
So just say go.
Just whatever. I'm gonna call it the Dom cam.
Bogalusa traffic, Grumman 8968 Lima, turn in left final, runway 18, full stop, Bogalusa.
Yeah, whip it right on in there. Right on in there. Tokyo Drift. Alright, notch flaps.
Gotta get out.
Here we go. Alright. 2 white means we end right. Oh, a little bit of float action. There it is. Yeah.
Bogalusa traffic, Grumman 8968 Lima is clear for active, taxiing to fuel. Bogalusa.
Only a little over an hour to go, and then we're there. All right, y'all, this is probably going to be the last leg that we're going to be able to film. It's going to be too dark by the time we take off again, so we'll check out right now and then enjoy a little bit more of the footage. We'll probably capture the landing. You might not see anything, but take a look anyway. I know you guys can't see me, but we're trying to shoot as much footage out the window as we possibly can. And we are 15 miles from Destin now. About to go through the east-west corridor at the bottom here.
Number 68 Lima, Destin's going to be at 12 o'clock and 8 miles.
All right, do have an sight, 68 Lima. Advent Tower, Grumman 8968 Lima, currently 1,200, about 2 miles to the west.
Grumman 8968 Lima, Destin Tower. Destin altimeter is 299.1, not in sight. Runway 14, clear to land.
14, clear land, 68 Lima. And Destin Tower, 68 Lima, we'll have to overfly the airfield and come back around.
All right, I just picked you up, and that is approved, sir.
Thank you very much, 68 Lima.
Lane Grumman 68 Lima, you can continue down, turn right at Apple 4, taxi straight in the parking, 1 at the ground, 46, welcome to Destin.